Hello everyone, here we have a 1989 Freightliner coming up on our online only auction. This is located up by Raymond, South Dakota. Once again, a very clean unit, 20-foot box there. It does have that Sherlock roll top tarp, 9-speed transmission, got a little nick-or-ding there in the right front fender. Like I said, it is that 300 horse Cummins diesel. Truck is very clean all the way around. Go to benmeyerauctions.com and place your bids today. Seat's got a little wear there, but 690,000 miles on it, and the truck is running right now. So sounds good. Check it out, benmeyerauctions.com. Thanks for looking.